Right now, we're hearing calls from Republicans as well as Democrats. Give us more information. We're 8 days out. More information. What is the next move by the director, James Comey?
This is where I have been very, very critical of James Comey. It is odd for me to be on the same page as Eric Holder, but I'm on the same page here. It is absolutely unlawful and unethical for anybody in law enforcement to give a progress report on an investigation midstream. He should not have sent that letter on Tuesday. He should have unleashed his FBI agents to do all the digging they can. And when he finds evidence of a crime, he ships it to the Justice Department, and they decide that it should go to a grand jury. For him to comply with what Republicans and Democrats want would be another violation of the law, because this is evidence of criminal behavior. He can't reveal it midstream.
Right. So what you're talking about is the Hatch Act, which prohibits the FBI official authorities getting involved in anything this close to an election. That's how I understand it. That's part of it. That's what Senator Harry Reid says is the crime that James Comey has committed.
Harry Reid, again, is off the wall. This is not a Hatch Act violation. The Hatch Act is a federal statute that applies to all federal employees except the president and the vice president, that prohibits them from using federal assets, federal time, or the aura of their office to campaign, not to make a law enforcement decision that has an effect on a campaign, but actually to campaign. This is not a Hatch Act violation. The violation is a regulation that prohibits making announcements about somebody whose name is on a ballot within 60 days of the ballot, and due process. How unfair is it to Mrs. Clinton? She has constitutional rights like the rest of us. We have something on you, we can't tell you what it is.
Reid's move goes nowhere.
Can I point out something that Catherine Harrod said that was really interesting and really important? She said that Huma Abedin was backing up her phone to this laptop.
And other devices, multiple times.
I mean, to me, that means, first of all, she knew what she was doing. She knew that all the emails were there. So when she said that she didn't have them any longer, or she didn't have a relevant device at home, that was for sure a lie, because backing up your phone to your laptop is an active thing. It also means that those are all those deleted emails, those 33,000 emails that everybody's looking for. If she was backing up her entire device to her laptop, then she has all of them, and she knows she has all of them.
But she also admitted under questioning that she never deleted a thing. And, you know, I don't know if she's as guilty as that. Anthony could be the technical one in the marriage. He could have been the one who was like, you know what, just go ahead, let me handle this. I'll make it easy for you, so when you come home from work, you can just open up your laptop, and all of your contacts will be here. Maybe he didn't tell her that all of her emails were on there. You know, I don't give her that much benefit of the doubt, but I do think that perhaps this was personally motivated by Anthony Weiner. You know, maybe he knew that this was a bargaining chip that he could play in a case that could sink his personal and professional life.
has also reported from some incredible sources that while Anthony Weiner is not cooperating with the FBI, that is, he's not sitting down and talking to them, he has been cooperative because he handed over the laptop. They didn't have to go to a grand jury and get a subpoena. They didn't have to go to a federal judge and get a search warrant.
All right.
Well, so much in a nasty divorce case right now. So
his problems are far worse than divorce. He's facing 50 years in a federal prison
for the underage,
and if they find child porn there, yes.